50 years ago, there was a declaration that here, spanning across the state lines of these two great Carolinas, would be a place to laugh, a place to enjoy, and a place to create memories. Visionary E. Pat Hall once said, Carowinds would be a place where no idea was too bold and no challenge too great. Tonight, we celebrate that promise in the place where the Carolinas come together. These heartwarming, memorable characters have been our gateway toward escape and enjoyment. Has always been home to celebrations, and holiday celebrations are no exception. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow longer, Carowinds becomes a celebration of all that is spooky and ghoulish delight. But the real magic of celebration arrives at the end of the year during Winterfest, when the park is blanketed in the warmth and the soul of the holiday season. With the Carowinds journey half a century old, the original promise of fun, memories, and bringing the Carolinas together has been upheld. And as we approach the next 50 years and beyond, Carowinds will be here for all of us. Because Carowinds is you. Your laughter, your excitement, your sense of adventure, and your heart. Together, that is Carowinds. Celebrating 50 years of laughter, joy, and memories with us. We hope you have the best adventure ever at Carowinds. From our family to yours, we wish you safe travels and hope to see you again soon. Good night.
Alright guys, we are heading out of the park now. We only showed up here just for the fireworks.
Yeah.
So this was my Father's Day gift for my wife. So she said, okay, we can drive up an hour and about an hour and a half roughly to Carowinds just for this. So, but anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. We do have a video coming out like really kind of following this video of our Carowinds visit, but it's not today's visit, and it's like actually before, I would say really truly all of the 50th anniversary event kind of started. So it's kind of showcasing like a preview part of it, I guess. We didn't really plan on it too much. Yeah, we just showed up. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this. We do have the season passes, and we are actually going to be coming back here quite often, more than likely. So hope y'all enjoy. If y'all do, hit that like button, help us out, and subscribe. We'll catch y'all next time.